Imagine finding an old computer in a closet, a laptop that struggles to run modern operating systems and takes several minutes just to open a web browser. Most people would assume that machine is destined for recycling or collecting dust forever. But what if there was a Linux distribution specifically designed to breathe new life into aging hardware and make it feel usable again? That is exactly where Puppy Linux enters the picture, a lightweight Linux distribution that has earned a legendary reputation among Linux enthusiasts for its speed, efficiency, and ability to revive computers that many people consider obsolete. Puppy Linux is one of the smallest and fastest Linux distributions ever created. Unlike many modern operating systems that demand large amounts of RAM, storage space, and powerful processors, Puppy Linux was built with the goal of running smoothly on older and less capable hardware. It is designed to be lightweight without sacrificing essential functionality, allowing users to browse the web, edit documents, watch videos, and perform everyday computing tasks on machines that would struggle with heavier operating systems. The project was originally created by Barry Kohler, who wanted to develop a Linux distribution that was easy to use, incredibly fast, and capable of running entirely from a computer's memory. This unique approach gave Puppy Linux an advantage that many larger operating systems could not match. Even after years of development and changes within the Linux ecosystem, Puppy Linux has remained faithful to its original mission of delivering speed and simplicity on virtually any hardware. One of the most impressive features of Puppy Linux is its extremely small size. While many Linux distributions require several gigabytes of storage space, Puppy Linux can often fit within a few hundred megabytes. This tiny footprint means it can be downloaded quickly, stored easily on USB drives, and installed on systems with limited storage capacity. For users working with older computers that still rely on small hard drives or even aging flash storage, this efficiency becomes a major advantage. Another reason Puppy Linux stands out is its ability to run directly from a USB drive without requiring installation. Users can create a bootable USB, start their computer from it, and begin using Puppy Linux immediately. This live session capability makes it perfect for testing hardware, recovering files from damaged systems, troubleshooting computers, or simply carrying a portable operating system wherever you go. Since it can run independently of the installed operating system, Puppy Linux becomes a valuable rescue tool as well. Perhaps the most famous aspect of Puppy Linux is its ability to load itself into RAM during boot. Once loaded, the operating system can operate almost entirely from memory, resulting in incredibly fast performance. Applications launch quickly, files open instantly, and the desktop remains highly responsive even on older hardware. This RAM-based approach is one of the reasons Puppy Linux often feels faster than many larger distributions, despite running on significantly weaker computers. The desktop environment used in Puppy Linux is intentionally lightweight and efficient. Instead of relying on resource-heavy desktop environments, Puppy Linux focuses on simplicity and responsiveness. The interface is straightforward and easy to navigate, making it accessible even for users who have never used Linux before. Essential applications are organized clearly, settings are easy to find, and the overall experience emphasizes practicality rather than visual complexity. Despite its small size, Puppy Linux includes a surprisingly complete collection of software. Users typically receive a web browser, file manager, media player, text editor, image viewer, and various system utilities right out of the box. This means that after booting Puppy Linux for the first time, many users can immediately begin performing common tasks without downloading additional software. Such convenience is especially useful for older systems where minimizing resource usage is important. One of the reasons Puppy Linux remains relevant in 2026 is its flexibility. Over the years, multiple Puppy Linux variants have emerged, each built on different Linux foundations. Some versions are based on popular distributions like Ubuntu, while others use packages from different Linux ecosystems. This allows users to choose a Puppy Linux version that best fits their software compatibility requirements while still benefiting from the lightweight nature of the distribution. The package management system in Puppy Linux is designed to make software installation relatively simple. While it may differ from package managers found in larger Linux distributions, it still provides access to a broad range of applications. Users can install productivity tools, multimedia software, development utilities, and many other programs depending on the Puppy Linux variant they choose. This flexibility helps transform an old computer into a surprisingly capable machine. Security is another area where Puppy Linux offers advantages. Since it can run entirely from removable media and does not necessarily require installation, users can maintain a clean environment with minimal persistence if desired. This makes it useful for secure browsing sessions, troubleshooting infected systems, or performing sensitive tasks. Additionally, Linux itself is known for strong security principles, and Puppy Linux benefits from the broader Linux ecosystem's ongoing improvements. For educational environments, Puppy Linux can be particularly valuable. Schools, community centers, and nonprofit organizations often possess aging computers that are no longer capable of running modern operating systems efficiently. By installing Puppy Linux, these organizations can extend the useful life of their hardware significantly. Instead of discarding old computers, they can continue using them for learning, research, and productivity tasks while avoiding expensive hardware upgrades. Puppy Linux is also popular among Linux enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with lightweight systems. Many users appreciate the challenge of maximizing performance on older hardware, and Puppy Linux serves as one of the best examples of efficient software design. Running Puppy Linux on a decade-old laptop and achieving smooth performance can be a surprisingly satisfying experience that highlights how much optimization can matter. Of course, Puppy Linux is not perfect. Modern web browsers and websites have become increasingly demanding, and extremely old computers may still struggle with resource-heavy online services. Some users may also find the interface less polished compared to larger mainstream distributions. However, these compromises are often acceptable considering the distribution's primary goal of delivering functionality on hardware that would otherwise be unusable. Another consideration is software compatibility. While Puppy Linux supports many applications, users looking for the latest versions of every modern tool may occasionally encounter limitations depending on the Puppy variant they select. Nevertheless, for basic computing, office work, web browsing, media playback, and general productivity, Puppy Linux remains remarkably capable despite its small size and modest hardware requirements. What truly makes Puppy Linux special is its philosophy. In an era where software often becomes larger, heavier, and more demanding with every release, Puppy Linux represents a different approach. It demonstrates that an operating system can remain functional, efficient, and enjoyable without requiring the latest hardware. It reminds users that performance is not always about having more resources, but about using available resources intelligently. For anyone with an aging desktop or laptop gathering dust, Puppy Linux offers a second chance. Instead of viewing old hardware as electronic waste, users can transform it into a functional computer capable of handling many everyday tasks. Whether it is used as a backup machine, a learning platform, a portable operating system, or simply a way to extend the life of an older PC, Puppy Linux continues to prove why it remains one of the most respected lightweight Linux distributions ever created. As we move through 2026, Puppy Linux still stands as a testament to efficiency and innovation within the Linux world. It may not be the flashiest operating system available, but its ability to revive forgotten computers, deliver impressive speed, and provide a complete desktop experience with minimal resource requirements makes it truly unique. For users seeking a practical, lightweight, and remarkably fast operating system, Puppy Linux remains one of the best solutions ever developed for breathing new life into old PCs.